Training is at the heart of everything that we do at Keller Williams, and having a high-quality trainer is essential to building a powerful training calendar. Hi, I'm Mike Horwitz. I'm a Keller Williams faculty member. I am a QL Master Instructor and have been with Keller Williams since 2011. I deliver 6 personal perspectives, Quantum Leap, QL Young Adult programs, the Business Planning Clinic and Agent Financials, Leadership Unlocked, and a course that I wrote, Leading and Managing High-Performing Teams. I've been an independent agent, assistant team leader, productivity coach, rainmaker of a top team, and have been involved in a variety of training and development programs across the real estate industry, along with many others. I'm an adjunct professor, and I bring together the professional background, knowledge, and experience along with my academic training to make sure that I deliver impactful courses that leave your agents and the participants touched, moved, and inspired. My feedback has been things like, Mike was an amazing trainer. He really dove into the information, very knowledgeable, and really helped me understand the material. Another team leader commented that as a result of an outside company participating in Agent Financials, they joined the company the next day. I'd love to have the opportunity to teach in your market center, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.